With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question says that the given flow chart shows central dogma reverse. Enzyme used in this process A, B and C are respectively. So this is a picture representing the process of central dogma reverse, and we need to find out the enzymes which are involved in A, B and C process. Right? So if we see, first is the enzyme A is involved in the replication of DNA, right? In the process of replication of DNA, a new DNA strand is formed from the pre-existing DNA strand, right? So the enzyme involved here would be DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Why DNA dependent? Because the replication is occurring on the pre-existing DNA template, right? Therefore it is DNA dependent, and because it is creating a new strand which is of DNA only, so it is DNA polymerase. So the A enzyme would be DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Next we see that from DNA RNA is formed. That is the process of transcription, right? Transcription is when the RNA template is synthesized from DNA. So in this process, the DNA is the pre-existing template, therefore the enzyme would be DNA dependent, but the new molecule that is being formed is the RNA, therefore it would be RNA polymerase, because the new strand formed is of RNA, so it is DNA dependent RNA polymerase, right? That means the enzyme B here is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Now talking about C. From C we can see that it is the DNA is formed from RNA, which is a very rare process, and it is called as reverse transcription. This process is reverse transcription, right? Now here the RNA act as template. So the enzyme is RNA dependent, and the new molecule that is being formed is of DNA. That means it is DNA polymerase. So the enzyme is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Accordingly, if we look at the options, our enzyme A is DNA dependent RNA polymerase, right? So here we'll see that DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Each option has DNA dependent DNA polymerase except the last one. So this would be eliminated. Second, enzyme B is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. So accordingly, this would be eliminated and either of these two options would be correct. Now last enzyme is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. So accordingly here our second option would be correct. This would be the correct option for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.